So this is an opportunity for you to practice now. All right, so I'm going to model on your board. Is that okay? May I use yours? Okay, so you have some cubes in front of you. You have your set that's clicked together. I'd like you to leave it that way. And if it's rubber band together, I'd definitely like you to leave it that way. You can choose. Do you want to add on the black, which is how many, everybody?
2.
Look up here, please.
2.
Or you can add on the white, which is how many?
1.
Yes, let's say that again. You can add on
1.
2, or you can add on
1.
So when she decides, here's her first add-in, she gets to choose the second add-in. She can add on 2, she can add on 1. It's going to be her choice. But I want her to write her equation on the board so that when I'm walking around, I can see what your decision was. She's either going to add these two together by counting on, or she's going to add these two together by counting on. It's your choice, okay? So hold up your black ones, please. I want to see that you know that that's one of your add-ons. So here we go. There's that add-in right there of 2. Put it down. Now hold up your white one, please. Or you can add on 1. It's up to you how you want to do this.
Why do I have a yellow?
Because that's your first add-in. You're going to add that to that. You can decide if you're going to add on the black ones to the yellow or if you're going to add on the white one to the yellow. Okay? You can make that decision. But I want to see your equation as well. Okay? So I'm going to hand this back to you. Thank you, sweetie. So I'd like you to pick up your colored blocks first without counting. See if you can figure out how many are in there and write that number down to get ready to write your equation. So try to do that because I rubber band them a certain way.
You rubber band them?
How did you figure out it was 8 so fast?
Because whenever I see 3 and 1 more and 2 more, it makes 5 and then 3 more makes 5.
Very good. So let me see this. Boys and girls, she just explained how she saw the 8. The reason why I rubber band this some way together because it sort of looks like a 10 frame. Okay, that's why I did that for you today. So your first add-in is what? What number?
5.
No, but your first add-in, what's the total amount here?
8.
8, so you write 8 down. How many do you have?
5, 6, 4.
That's your first add-in. Write that down, please. You're going to start with your yellow, sir.
5, 6. I think.
Oh, I love it. Can you come do that for me? Come up here. Bring your orange up here. Boys and girls, look at the way he's thinking about this. This is so impressive. Tell me what you just did. You went
5, 6, 7, 8.
How brilliant is that that he said, do it again for me.
5, 6, 7, 8.
He recognized this was a set of 5, and he just had to figure out the difference here. Because remember, this is like a 10 frame, right? Amazing. So what's your first add-in you're going to write down? What is this number right here? What is this total?
8.
That's your first one. Now you have to decide if you're going to add on the black or you're going to add on the white. Okay, put your plus sign, please. You decide if you're going to add on the black or the white. You're adding on the black. Okay, so count up for me. Say, excellent. Write that down. That's perfect. What are you going to add on, the black or the white? You're going to add on the white? Okay. Which one did you decide to add on?
2.
Okay, so you have all together. So read me your, excellent. Read me your equation.
5 plus 2 equals 7.
Excellent. And the, go ahead.
How I did it is I was like, so if I have 5, so if I would do the white one, then I would have 6. But if I have 5, then I would add the 2 black ones, and I would do 5, 6, 7.
Perfect. You did the counting on strategy. You described it to me in a way that makes complete sense. You said, I have 5, and then I just added on these 2 black ones, so I said 6, 7. Amazing thinking. You applied the counting on strategy. All right, what was your total of your yellow ones? Right here. How many were here in this set? Let me set it up for you this way.
8.
8. And what did you decide to add on?
The
1 or, okay. So how much is 8 plus 1 more?
Plus 2 equals 9. Wait, 2. I need the 1 number.
Okay, so do you know how, now that you want to rethink that? Do you want to change your thinking? How do you want to change your thinking?
I'm going to split it into 2.
How many white ones do you have?
Put it on your shirt. 1.
So tell me your equation so far. You have,
6 plus 1.
okay, so how many yellow do you have here?
Oh, 7.
Well, hold on, bud, let him think for himself.
8.
So what does your first add-in need to be?
8.
Yeah, so what do you need to do there? Yeah, go ahead and fix that, hun. And then you're gonna end up changing your sum, right? Oh, sum, okay, I'm looking around. Okay, this is good work. So far we added on 1 or 2. Now this is what you're going to do. You ready to listen? You're going to take your color cubes and trade them with the person next to you.